Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming which account and license word expects, because an expired message often means a sign-in mismatch. Check your Office 365 subscription status and recent billing first. While logged in, back up any open documents to OneDrive or a local folder so you don't lose work. Once done, record the product key or Microsoft account tied to this installation. That information speeds reactivation and avoids repeated authentication loops. Next, you will attempt reactivation and a repair because reinstallation is rarely needed. Sign into Word via account, activate product with the correct Microsoft account. If that fails, run Office Quick Repair from Programs and Features, and then online repair if necessary. If old license tokens persist, sign out of all Office apps and sign back in, or use the Office deployment tool to remove stale licenses. These steps refresh activation tokens and often resolve expired notices. To finish, make sure Windows Update and Office updates are applied, because missing patches can block reactivation. Then reopen Word and verify the license state. If the product still shows expired, check for multiple Microsoft accounts on the device and confirm which account holds the subscription, because the wrong account commonly causes failures. If needed, gather your product key, account email, and error message and contact Microsoft support. They can clear server-side issues or advise on a replacement license.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.